Akwaba and found Bragan and Sam TVGH so what friend me Ajua searching.
Me say sa asofo na ede yense kogu John Mahama so no me ka kire o 98.9% of them alafa. Womo ye asofo charge and pay, asofo kobo, asofo medomewu, asofo mamedi emi nkodie, asofo me de mefu enenam. Adentia. 1. Nayemi fie, Christo fie, amami ura, aye Christo ni. Namatoto de meboa. Obema ufia ye Christo fie. One of the biggest ambitions of every true Christian is to build a house of worship for God that they believe in. Isn't it so? It is so. We are about to build the church of God and the people of God. When you give to build the house of God, God bless you in abundance. We shall build the house of God and we shall have this. And secretary, can you tell us how much we have in account? And you know, Maracuda and God, rah. Yeah, jiska de sidan. Amenyame. And no for us unim the intia. See can be bamiho. See can be bamiho. See can be bamiho. Tenet your support. You see, when you give big, you know, and the God of heaven will open the sky and you hold your money up to the sky and God bless you and you eat and hey, hallelujah. Hey, 2,000. Not kwasi penny. Within the 2,000. How much 50 million you know no free. Okwaje ye anti atemu ya woton kra unko tua neka ya bo 50 million kwasia waboduku ekotam sika na udidi dwa no e de akoma no udin 50 million. We are just and the God he gave from the heart and the heart and the heart. Yankopon be shape ya asasofo ni ka mako. I'm not joking. I'm so passionate and very, very serious about this pastor's journey. You know, some crowd for me, I saw for any be no. Yo, what do any? Oh, kume. So for me, kume ni who's a umpire boy, Juma, what umpire, mamewu, obetrebo. What's our quasi? I saw for no better boana. Yeah, make them ye slow. Anya shekra ya wo yanhwe amu megu asasi so ye free hende except be dia reho na beba enkrofo be fien life will still move on. When Ajinasari and Duncan Williams are extorting money, when Apostle Wingham and the rest are collecting money from their church members, give the hope in the floor, give in a band. Oh yeah, my brother, give. Yanko see a solid diamond a year gun and in Nadia, a free one kasa jinimuno. Yes, say there be finances no, and yen never control. Nempo, ye could see Cathedral ya. Me parents do me, one ever rented the Akoye show. Me, yes, can you home, Sadia, my resign. Not Daggy word mills, my resign. And it's funny enough, all that so for no more criminal past now, the ones that they made them the overseers of the cathedral. They spoke against building the church of God. They went against building the church of God. They still preach with Solomon. And as Solomon will see a sorry that man yame. And as Solomon see a sorry that man yame. Obi be see a sorry that man yame. Young fan said an adre or no one jumupuna no person with this die. A dine will qua or body akwebu. John Mahama still circle interchange. Oko Boliban boy, Obuboko any circle. I did a moment actually weak, sir. Why do we allow ourselves to be toyed with like this as Christians? Why? Brakofi, how on earth do you tell me, say, we are software, but you will go against building of a church, all in the name, say, money has been misappropriated. When you know, say, Muankasa Cathedral for the Sikakra Namode to us, Yakranamuni. Software be no said the beya, ye the account we ko pesca and cofobe say ye near breno, yen pesca cacrengu. And na betuja. Say Cathedral na, Mosi ye wieska, ya misappropriatiska. Muma dankananke free ni papa pebi no mu na eba na ye fa anke ha me. Ye nya kwasiampafo ntwamu abi te say raf we bodamfo a ono no obi nim wi a ono no. Obi nim tramo ko a honum ne no ho kankan basa we kwasia we etumi ba be ka kire o say ye the 58 million akwa akotu amona. E ma wo sofo wugidi akutie nyankopon asori dan a yebesi. Ye me ye ndidi ye. Ene wedidi ene wa me. Gana ni Kristo ni ene wedidi ene wa me cathedral ni yensi wa me. Na fi ma menchira how unintelligent of a Christian you are. Ma menchira how our Kristo somo no eye hurudokrada na emu hasasawa. Adia na nanke be ye Kristofo ni na wo Ghana ni onyamse no. Yesi e de be ye cultural center. Mo se mo ejimi enye didi atem eye Yesu. Ye de be ye cultural center. Besi mi dai wo botaso. Na matomebo ye na mesinu ye. Awo na mene Yeshua betina. Awo me si mi dai wo botan so me boa. Ibi si ye dai a Christopher way wo botan so. Na ya to ye bo. Ye de na ye sinu ye If we say ye ne Yeshua betina. Ibi si ye dai wo botan so. Yenti ensureta almost then yensuru enemu besuru because Ghana Kristo ni amana dwene anye adwuma enen suo to a wo besuru because a wo ma agina sare da do wo Accra Sports Stadium na mo bo anwom na na kwa na Nyankopon se mo nkwasiampafo meto nsuo